Hey everyone, welcome back to Robby Hobby. Today I'm sharing my experience riding in the Rolling Thunder Run for Veterans, Run for Freedom. It was September 15th, 2024, at 2 am when I realized I had to be a part of this ride. With little time, I couldn't get anyone to join me on the back seat, not even my son Archie, who was probably asleep. I did, however, manage to get my good friend Keith to join, and off we went. Keith is a regular at these runs, but this was my first time. Unfortunately, I couldn't get my GoPro mounted, and with no one on the back seat, I didn't get the best footage. What I do have, I'm sharing with you all. We started in Elizabeth, New Jersey, and rode all the way to the Vietnam Veterans Memorial and Museum in Homedale, New Jersey. Along the way to Elizabeth, I had a bit of scare. My rear brake gave out, so we had to stop at a gas station. Keith asked me if I wanted to turn back, but since I was already more than halfway there, I decided to continue. Cautiously, of course. We arrived an hour early and got a great spot. I tried to capture some drone footage, though it didn't turn out as planned. The run kicked off at 11:30 am, and let me tell you, the sight was incredible. Thousands of bikes, trikes, slingshots, and more, escorted by cops with crowds waving at us the entire way. It was such an amazing experience. By the time we reached the endpoint at 1 pm, we stayed for an hour, grabbed some food, and I spent some time exploring the museum. Even though things didn't go perfectly, it was an unforgettable ride, and I'm already looking forward to the next one. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. I'll definitely be more prepared for the next ride. Catch you all next time on Robby Hobby.